Welcome back. So the other day I picked up a new tractor here. I'm going to use it for towing wagons around, log splitter, cordwood saw, stuff like that, because I don't have the four-wheeler on the premises all the time. It is sometimes out on a job where I'm getting my logs. But unfortunately, because the log splitter and most other things sit kind of high because they're designed for a pickup, these lawn tractors, they sit really low. So if you come on in here a minute, you can see the hitch is really low here. So what my plan is I'm going to build a platform to come out and then up so I can connect this. And that way it'll be at the same height. What's nice is it did come with a bagger, so there's nice solid bolt holes right here. So I got to come back and up. I measured I need to come up about 7 inches. I might go just a fraction more due to the weight or whatever. So let's get started on that and you follow along, we'll get it built. All right, so we got the metal set up, ready to go, got it picked out. We are going to use this piece for the base that will go on the original existing hitch. I'm going to use this as the upright, and then I'll use some little bit more of this to come out to mount the ball on. Then I'm going to use the thinner stuff I have here for the straps. So I'm going to go ahead and get the straight line cut on this to start with so we have something to start out. Then I'll do some measurements, come in here, lay this out, get it cut. I'm going to have to drill a hole so I can bolt it to the existing pin hitch that comes with the tractor. Then I'll figure out the angle and the position that I need this. I'll get it cut and we'll go from there. So let's get started. So we got the bottom plate and the top plate done. I ground them smooth on the side so they'd be a little easier to handle without getting cut up. We got this piece cut. Probably going to mount it right about here. I may have to cut this a little shorter. My plan was to mount this like this. And I kind of made them a little longer than I needed to. The reason being, I was hoping to leave the hitch pin design down here, but I don't think because of the angle it's going to work very well. So we're just going to lose that idea and just forget about it. So I may have to cut these down just a little bit, but for now, we're going to get them sandblasted so I can look at it and figure out where I'm going to weld, how I'm going to weld, and if I am going to make them smaller. So, let's jump on the sandblaster. Alright, so we got the flat pieces sandblasted, as you can see. That turned out pretty good. Square tubing was taking too long. I think it has a powder coat or something on. So, we brought it over here to the bench, put it in the vise, hit it with a flap wheel sand disc. Got it polished up nice here. Again, this doesn't have to look pretty. It's just going to be on the back of a tractor. So we're going to sit here. I'm going to look real quick and figure out whether I'm going to trim the these other pieces a little shorter. And judge by that. And then we'll start welding it up. Alright, so off camera, I got the drill, or that hole drilled for the ball and the bolt. We're going to go ahead and get it bolted in place so we can get the measurements on the supports for the sides. Pull that bolt and that bolt out, and I'm gonna make a bracket to come across here. So let's go ahead and get this out. Now we'll figure out what size these are. I'll drill a hole, get that piece bent. We'll go from there. Okay, so we got it mounted to the tractor. We're going to bring the tractor out. We're going to hook it to the log splitter and give it a test, see how it holds up. So that worked out pretty good. Now I'll be able to move my log splitter and my cordwood saw around, which will help me here on the property. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps me out. If you would like to see more of these videos, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon, and YouTube will notify you every time I post one. So until next time, be safe, be creative, build something. Have a good day.